Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how to send a WhatsApp message without saving a number. Firstly, open WhatsApp. Next, tap the new message icon. In the search field, type the phone number that you want to message. If the number is linked to a WhatsApp account, it will appear in the result as not in your contact. Tap Chat next to the number. A new chat is created with the phone number rather than the contact name shown at the top. You can message in the new chat in the same way as you can with your contact. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more new content.